Yeah. Well, good morning, everyone. Lily of the Valley family. I just planted this curly kale yesterday and also red cabbage. I'm going to show you the kale in a few minutes, but this is red cabbage here. And don't always remember to leave your tag near the crops that you plant so you won't forget what they are. But we planted these yesterday, and actually I had the kale and the cabbage in the same bag, 12 inches apart. But I decided I ought to go ahead and separate them. So I gave them a little more room. That's a future video. I recorded the video already. Okay, and notice here. Now, this are the kale. So I put the kales in, notice this container here. Game. So I just, if you do laundry, you know what these containers are. So I just cut the part of the lid off the container there, and we got containers for our kale plants. So I'm watering these in. I put fertilizer on them just now, so I'm watering these plants in. These are some of the little things you need to be concerned about. Okay, and make use after you do your laundry. If you get these containers here, you can just cut the lid off these containers, and they'll make nice plant containers. If you want to move your plant into the sun, a little sun, just pick it up like this. Simple. And they look really nice. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And remember to feed your plant. In the back, you'll notice those plants back there. Those are peppers, so they're coming up near the fence. So that's all you got to do. The little things. The little things are very important. So that's what we're doing this morning. We're watering these plants in. The red cabbage, and also all our plants are watering in this morning. Nice quiet morning. Give you enough time to meditate while you're doing these things. So just a quick thought, the little things are important. To water the plants, fertilize the plant, and also to clear your mind. Well, anyway, have a blessed day. So that's what we're doing this morning. We're watering these plants in. Anyway, have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. We'll see you again real soon. Goodbye.